So, getting the shortcuts into the menu. We're going to start Synaptic Package Manager. We're going to install a menu application. Put in my password here. And what we're going to search for is called menulibre. This application will allow us to install some of the menu apps into here from PlayOnLinux. Close. Okay, it's installed. We'll go to, where's menulibre? I forget which menu editor, there it is, preferences. Okay, so this is menulibre, and here in others, office. Whoa! So here we go. Okay, some are on and some are off. How about that? So we're going to turn them on. The extra one, got to hit save. The extra one I'm going to go ahead and delete. Delete. We don't want double. I don't want double menus showing up. PowerPoint. Okay. Excel. Let's go to the next one, save. Go back to the other one, delete it. When they delete, looks right. There, this one I can already delete. It looks like that, you can delete it. Excel. So where did the others go to? Ah, here they are. Extras also, again. Why menulibre did this, I don't know. We'll just take care of the extra ones, get them out. Just have one of each showing. Okay. Then try and go to the next one. They'll save it. Then you go back to it. Delete. The other one. Why Office? Why PlayOnLinux puts these here? I have no idea, but it does. Hit save. Go back to it. Delete it. Okay, so I took care of the extra ones, and you can see OneNote. Oh, Outlook is in the internet. Why OneNote goes in the internet, I don't know. On, making sure they're on. Now I'll double check in the actual menu. Okay, oh, that's right. Before you can actually double check in the actual menu, you got to save it. One of these buttons is save. No, not quit. Add launcher, separate. Save. Okay, if I exit it without saving, all the changes won't take place. Okay, let's add an app. Let's see what happens then. Let me add Publisher to the Office. I'll show you how that works first. So here I'm going to go to Office, add a launcher. it's going to put new launcher. One, don't save. I need to go to find out this directory. Here we go. Browse files. Here we go. Okay, so the icons are located in this directory. It's under your home. Then the hidden file PlayOnLinux icon full size. I'm just going to minimize that. Oh, I can't minimize that, can I? We'll have to cancel. So I'm just going to have to remember where to look. Go back to Office, add launcher, new launcher. That's just going to be publisher. Browse files. So you go to your home directory, PlayOnLinux virtual drive, Office. Okay. Let's search other locations. Maybe I have to unhide it. Let me do that first. View, show hidden, PlayOnLinux, icons, size. Okay, so there they are. Let me cancel this again, and maybe I can find it. Browse files. Is there a way I can do this? Another easy way would be to just create a directory, copy these. So let me cancel this. I have to remember what I did to get this to happen last time. So I'm going to back up on this one. I just right click, new folder, Office 2010 icons. Let's do that. It would seem to be a lot simpler. Copy. Hey, copy. Here we go. Copy. I'm just going to copy them. I don't want to move them. I just want to copy them. Just so I can find them in here. Browse files. Here we go. Office 2010 icons. Okay. I said I was going to select publisher. Hit OK. So I got the publisher. Now to get to the commands. Okay, we can also rename this. So as it shows up in the menu, it's going to have the right name. I'm going to give it the same exact name as the shortcut on the desktop. Give it a small description. Now for the command, I'm just going to right click, go to Properties and Publisher, then go to Desktop Entry, right click again, select all of it, then copy it, and just copy it right over it. And there it is. Now you're going to have to give it a category name and description or else it won't take. Select Add, and we know it's the Office application and it's the publishing application, and there we go. As you can see, not hidden. Okay, everything's, you can see it. So now I can save. See now the icon took in the publisher, and we can move this up and down. At least I thought we could. Okay, now that I saved it, what does the menu show? There's publisher. Okay, don't tell me I'm going to have to redo them. I'm going to have to figure out what's going on there. These, okay, they're off. That's why. Turn them on. I don't want them hidden. Turn it on. I don't want it hidden. Go to the next one. Save it. Turn it on. I don't want it hidden. Save. Oh, come on, man. Why are you doing this? Okay, let's clear it all out. Just add. Let's see what it does. This is Excel, Office, Spreadsheet. Okay. Now I can save, it looks like. There we go. Now they all took. And now they're all showing here. Now let's see if I can do the same thing with the internet. Okay, turn you on. Save. And there you go. Microsoft Outlook. Okay, OneNote. Let's see if we can do the same with OneNote. Save. There we go. So there's OneNote, Outlook, and for Office, Excel, PowerPoint, Word. Okay, got one more to do. Thought there's a way to move them up and down also. Put them in order, rather. Ah, there it is. I see the buttons down at the bottom, right here. So now we can put them in order the way we want to. Move Word up. Okay. Now I'm going to add access. And I'm going to do just the same as I did for Publisher. I'm going to keep it in the category. Add launcher. You see how the new launcher will be added into that category. Okay, access I said. Same thing. Properties. Oh. Browse file icons. Access. Okay. New app launcher. Access 2010. A quick description and just the same for the command. Select all, copy, come over to command, paste. Add the category, or this is how it identifies where to put the program into the menu. And we're going to save. This is how it identifies how menulibre identifies to put it into the proper category: accessories, games, graphics. So that's what this part is, the category name and the description. Now put it in and move it down some. Oops, not up, down, down. There we go. back over here and see how it moves down, and everything else is in the order that I set it in. Save. Now we can exit out of it, cancel that. And so now we have these applications in our menu here. Now how do we get them to this down here? We right click, application launch bar. This is like a shortcut. As you can see, we can put anything from the menu list that we created, just like it is over here, and we can put it over here into the application launch bar. And it's like a shortcut. It's like a shortcut in XP, or it's like pinning a menu, an application, like you would in Windows 7. It's more like a shortcut though. You're not pinning. It's more like a shortcut. And you can see down here, Word and Excel has already been added in there. And if I wanted to, I could go over here also, put OneNote, add. And so anything from your menu in here that's already installed, and inside the Ubuntu menu here, you can put over here in the application launch bar. So you can have shortcuts on the panel. Close. And so let's click. Whoa, experiencing internal error. Well, it's still launching it. There goes Excel. Word. And there goes Word, it launched. So now, if you want to, you can actually, if you like to keep a clean desktop like I do, actually get rid of these. But you can't get rid of them until you create your shortcuts and put them inside the menu. And so there they all are. 1, Microsoft Note, 2, Outlook, 3, Word, 4, Excel, 5, PowerPoint, 6, Publisher, and 7, Access. All of the Office Professional apps. And there it goes, it starts even off the menu too. So that's menulibre, and how you can use it also to get it into the menu, get the PlayOnLinux applications into the menu. As you saw, some of them were already there, but I put them in the order. I can put them in the order I want to. I even added some. That was Access and Publisher. You just gotta remember, you have to create the menu in menulibre first to put the menu in here before you can delete them from the shortcuts from the desktop, because you need those properties, the command properties. And so there you go, from start to finish, installing PlayOnLinux. Then I use PlayOnLinux to install my Microsoft Office 2010 Professional, my own personal license version. Like I said, this is for educational purposes and my experience. And then install the application. Where'd it go? Preferences, menu editor, to get the menu items, to turn on some of the menu items that were already in here from PlayOnLinux. I just had to, wow. I hope that's not going to show up all the time like that, every time I do that. And then after I did that, got the items, menu items in here, then I could put them into the application launch bar, like a shortcut, the quick launcher, as you would call it, an XP, or an alternative way, as they would call it in Windows 7, you pin, but we're not pinning, you're just actually creating a quick launcher. So there you go, from start to finish. Thank you.